In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put words behind objects in Affinity Photo. This effect makes your text look like it's tucked behind parts of your subject, adding depth and a polished editorial feel. Start by opening your image. This will automatically become your background layer in the Layers panel. Keep it as the foundation for the composition so everything else stacks neatly on top. Next, add your text. Select the Artistic Text tool or press T on your keyboard, then click on the canvas and type your word or phrase. Choose a font, size, and color that contrast well with your image so the effect is easy to see. Position the text so it overlaps the object. Placing it near areas with leaves, hair, or other edges is ideal because those details will help sell the illusion. Now duplicate your image layer. In the Layers panel, right-click the object image layer and choose Duplicate. You should now see two identical image layers. The top copy will act like the foreground object that covers parts of the text, while the original can sit at the bottom as your background. If it helps you stay organized, you can keep the original visible or temporarily hide it. Either way works for this workflow. Drag your text layer so it sits just below the duplicated top image layer. At this stage, the text may appear mostly hidden. That's expected. Next, we'll control exactly where it peeks through. Select the top image layer and add a mask. Click the Add Mask Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see a mask thumbnail appear next to the layer's thumbnail. Make sure the mask, not the image, is selected before you paint. This ensures your editing visibility, not the photo itself. With the mask selected, choose the Paintbrush tool by pressing B. Set your foreground color to black. Painting black on a mask hides those areas of the top image, allowing the text beneath to show through. Carefully paint over the parts of the object where you want the letters to appear. For cleaner results, zoom in around edges, use a soft, round brush for smooth transitions, and adjust brush size with the bracket keys. If you paint too far, switch your brush color to white to restore the object and hide the text again. Pressing X is a quick way to swap between black and white. Lowering brush flow can help you build the effect gradually for more control. And that's it. You've placed text behind your subject using a simple, non-destructive mask, giving your image a professional, layered look.